Good morning and welcome to the 100th problem. Thank you very much for your support, without which I would not have been proceeded to this extent. Okay, so title of the problem is encryption. Let us go to the statement. You have been asked to build a simple encryption program. This program should be able to send coded messages without someone being able to read them. The process is simple and is divided into two parts. First, each uppercase or lowercase letter must be shifted 3 positions to the right. According to the ASCII table, letter A should become letter D, letter Y should become a special character used in logical OR, and so on. Each line, next step, each line must be reversed. After being reversed, all characters from the half must be moved 1 position to the left in ASCII. In this case, B becomes A and A becomes tilde. So if you observe, we are only moving alphabetical characters, the letters. The resulting word of the first part is Tesla. Then you start reversing from ES. So suppose this is 5. Say number of characters is 5. And what is n by 2? N by 2 is 2. So you start reversing from second character onwards. Okay. So you start reversing from SLA. And there are 4. If n is 4, but n is 4, what is n by 2? Is 2. And you reverse from second character. Okay. So I hope you understand it. The input contains number of cases and the sentences, and this is the output. Okay. So let us write a program for this. First, read the word or sentence to be encrypted. Say enter line to be encrypted. Okay, now part 1. Every character must be moved 3 positions to the right. So for that you need to convert this into a list, because string is immutable. Okay, and let us print the word and is available right on the screen. No issues. First convert into make immutable into mutable. Next, for I in range length of word in range length of word, find out ASCII value of the ith character. Add 3 to it, because you need to move 3 positions to the right, and find out its corresponding character. Now this is the new character to be placed at position I. Okay, so first step is done. Now print the string after first step. Let us save it. So one more parenthesis is required. So let us take this input. Value literal for int. Why should I convert to int? The string itself. And that first step is over. Next, second step, reverse it. Okay. So if you see the first step, you observe one thing here. Even numerical values are shifted, but we need to shift only characters. So let us have a condition here. If the ith character is a letter, then only we shift. So now we shift only letters of alphabet, not the numerical values. Absolutely fine. Next, let us reverse and print. So reversed. Now half of the word, let us find length. Say length of the word. Now for I in range n by 2 to n, default step is 1. Okay, find out ordinate value, I mean ASCII value of ith character. Moving to left, -1. Find out its character value. Okay, and replace it, and replace the original one. Okay, now print the result. Print the result. This is the sentence to be encrypted. Okay. Let us check the answer. What is the answer? 3 hash RVZGB. Okay. So let us check the second one. So what is the final output? 1 FE CEDC. Absolutely fine. So let us take the third one. So let us check the output. KS dot slash n curly brace open FRZX. Fine. Next, the last one. Let us run it again. So what is the output? GI dot R HYZ XX. Okay, fine. So we wrote the program for separate inputs. How does it look like if it is for all 4 inputs at a time? So first input is read number of test cases, say T. Read a number of test cases. Okay, and then for T in range number of test cases, do the following. If you don't require intermediate outputs, leave them. Okay. Now this is outside for loop. You don't require it. So this is length of the word. This is next step. Okay. This is finally printing it. If you want all the outputs at once and have result as empty here, say result dot append, convert this list to string, this is word. Okay, and then for say let us results, this is results. You can print it for result in results, say print result. Okay, so this is taking all the 4 inputs at a time, one at a time. 4 test cases. Say first input, next second input, next third input, and finally the last input. And these are the 4 outputs. So you can check with them. First output, second output, third output, and fourth output. Okay. So I hope you understand it. Okay. Thanks for watching. Let us do the same problem in Java in my next video. Right. Thanks for watching my 100th video. Within a very short period of time, I will produce next 100 so that you will get benefited for the round 2 of Hack with Infi, which is scheduled this month end. So please subscribe and like. Thank you. Thanks for watching.